Alright guys, another Bugatti currently being wrapped. A really dope yellow color. It's kind of on the lighter side, I would say. Almost like a sunflower. First time we're doing this color on a car before. This Bugatti has been wrapped 4 times. This is the 5th time this Bugatti is getting wrapped here. As you can see, the original red. This car is originally red and black. Right now we have this theme going on with the rock kind of black. The lower part of the bumper is going to be black as well. But we're making this look kind of like an updated version of a Veyron with the color scheme. This is a new color, new material from 3M. And it comes with this sheet now that is applied to the wrap. When you're squeegeeing it, all that stuff, it's less scratches. So after we're done, we're gonna be removing this, and that's gonna reveal its really nice finish. This is a gloss finish, so it's not matte or satin, so it's gonna be gloss yellow. But yeah, we're really happy that they're doing this right now, because when you're applying it, it's inevitable to have a few scratches, that kind of stuff. So this really protects it. This is one of the early models of the Veyron, so it has the old lights on there, as you could see. This customer was interested to upgrade the lights, which you can, technically. It'll cost somewhere around $60,000 US to change these 2 headlights. You'll get a pretty big update though, so he's contemplating that for now. But yeah, for now we still have the regular headlights on there. The bumper's obviously missing, the front grill's missing. But once we put all this back together, it's gonna look good again. You're buying China wheels and they're lying to you. No,
I'm
then
getting from the company.
What company?
Boston company.
Vossen company?
Yeah, Vossen.
They're not Vossen wheels.
Yeah.
Veloz is different than
Veloz, yeah, same shit, Veloz. I'm getting from here.
He's ordering from a website even more expensive. You're doing something wrong, bro.
No.
100%.
Oh, you want to see how sexy I was? How sexy I was.
Oh my god, I see it from here.
What year was that?
It might be like 8 years ago. No, 7.
What happened to you?
Stress.
You were like that before you got here.
I know, so it's not us, thankfully.
You actually got better.
Yeah, actually he did.
Look at my eyebrows, look at my hair, look at how handsome I was.
Okay, yeah, seriously, don't change the subject. Where's the wheels?
I'm getting from here.
I'm only saying this because you're doing something wrong and you're gonna get
I'm getting from this one, Veloz.
You're showing me a picture of my box.
I know, I'm getting from this company, Veloz.
No, you're not.
I am.
Yo,
What company do you own?
I got a couple.
Oh my god. The wheel company. What's the wheel company's name you own?
Velos.
What's up, man?
My employee is saying that he ordered the wheels from you guys for his BMW 8 Series.
No, he didn't. How would he order them?
I don't know, he's sitting in front of me and he's like, I ordered them already. And I'm like, no you didn't.
No, I called you about them on Friday to see because I had the promise to me to do it by Christmas.
So where'd you order it from?
I got it, it's gonna be the same wheels as yours. It's gonna be same wheels as yours.
He didn't.
Okay, I just wanted to confirm, I'll call you back.
Alright, later.
Bye-bye.
It's gonna be the same wheels as yours.
Such a liar. There's only one company that makes that wheel, it's that company. How would you order it from another place? Show it, proof it's the invoice.
Okay, in 3 weeks you will see
Also,
it.
if you ordered it from anywhere, they would have to call him.
No. It's possible it can be on eBay, it's possible it can be somewhere else.
No, it's not possible. 2 reasons. One, they've never made that wheel in 22s, so it's not available anywhere. They have to do new engineering for it. So he has to be involved.
So you think it might be a copy? No.
If you're really getting it from somewhere, it's bullshit. So either you're lying to yourself,
No.
or somebody's lying to you.
We have a Lamborghini here. This car is in here for full service. It's way past due, so we're gonna put the new synthetic oil filter, top off the fluids, reset everything, and give this car back today. I guess this customer's not aware of this car being in some kind of a bad situation like this. As you guys can see, we have the motor mount lug bolt completely loose here. Very bad. And on this side, this one's not there. So we're gonna go ahead and call them and let them know about the situation and get this thing repaired.
It's time to take the saran wrap type protection film off of the yellow now. Let's do it.
Oh yeah, that's bad, that's bad. Half of the time I have no idea what the hell he's talking about.
Alright, we are back in the Bugatti Veyron. This is that pink and blue one that you guys just saw. A lot of people were hating on the pink and blue. I thought, you know, very different to wrap. Why not? And the customer did it sort of for a business promotion kind of thing. So it worked out. And now, because it's a wrap, you could take it off and do something else. You guys saw an Instagram picture on RDBLA's Instagram where it was yellow, red, and black. We were kind of teasing it. We had a lot of people responding about McDonald's and that kind of stuff. This is not your typical yellow. It's a really light and bright yellow. We did also a gloss black combination for the accents, gloss black on the rockers, lower portion of the bumpers, the grille, that kind of stuff. The rest of it is yellow. Looks really, really nice. It's suiting this car really well. Right now we're in LA traffic. The Bugatti drives really well. We have it in handling mode right now, which is the stiff suspension lowered with the wing up. It still drives really good. You just have to be careful with driveways and potholes. But surprisingly, the Bugatti, which I've driven a lot, honestly drives really good. It's one of my favorite cars ever. I feel like you're sitting in an airplane, so really, really cool. This guy in the van tried to give us a mixtape.
You don't understand how cold I am, bro. And when I'm rolling up the windows, my ears hurt.
There's a bullet hole in the back of the van that tried to give us a mixtape.
And that's definitely gonna rank up in sales.
It's so smooth.
Oh, you don't know how fast the car came. Oh, it felt like a game.